There you go, the chicken and the pizza. We got two kinds of pizza. There's my favorite, the tuna and the cheese and the meat. Beef pizza and the two chicken. There is the beef pizza with cheese. And the other one, what's the other flavor, Jenny? Happy Valentine's, everyone. Oh yeah. Happy Mother's Day. Sorry, I'm old woman. I forgot what I'm saying. It's Happy Mother's Day. It's not Happy Valentine's. I am an old woman, really. Where is the cake? Yeah, lime lang tinisip. Okay, we are going to eat now. I'm so hungry. Yeah. There is my grandson Gael. He's waiting again. Here I am, ready to eat now. I'm ready to eat now. I'm so hungry. There are the food. There is the food. There is the food. The cake is still in the refrigerator. We haven't taken it out. We bought yesterday the cake. That is our dessert. So we will eat first the pizza. We will eat first the pizza. The cake later.
Gusto mo yung all meat, Noah?
There is the cake. Here is the cake. There is the box of the cake.
Parmesan?
This is the box of the cake from Goldilocks. This is the big one that I bought yesterday. We will eat later as our dessert. That's the cake. We are heating the rice because someone wants to eat rice. They want to eat rice at the same time. So we are heating the rice. My grandson wants to eat rice too.
Buno mo pala ito yun.
Yeah. Wow, I love this
Original
chicken.
and chicken.
The original and the...
How about you, Noah? Lagyan na kita. Original flavor chicken.
Thank you.
You want this one then? You love like? I'll get some tuna milk. AJ, what pizza do you want? All of it?
I'm waiting for the Coke. We need to drink Coke once in a blue moon. My son-in-law went to buy Coke. We seldom drink Coke, but today we will drink Coke. Because Coke is not really good for you.
Tuna milk?
Here comes the Coke.
This is all meat. I'll get some for you.
Here comes the Coke. May I see the Coke? Oh, there's the Coke. There is the Coke. Coca-Cola. The Coke is so good with the pizza. The Coke is so good for the pizza. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Ah,